Hey you guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Rahat and welcome here. So you guys, as promised, I'm gonna share the yet another haul with you guys, which is Nykaa haul one more time, because Nykaa was having a lot of sale going on. So I have ordered like so many things that I would be showing you shortly. So let's not waste any more time and get into this video. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, you guys. That will mean a lot to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So ladies and gentlemen, let me show you the packages here, and which is no joke. And I don't know if it'll fit in my screen too, because so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these are, oh my god, it's heavy. Alright, so I will go size wise maybe today, and let me start off with the smallest one. Actually, I have bought from 2-3 sites. I'm so sorry, I just misleaded you guys. I have ordered a few things from Nykaa, Hawk and as Amazon as well. So the first ever package which is here is by Amazon, and it does not have any logo or anything. It's a very normal like box here, and in that I have bought this thing right here. This is a sponge by the Drugstore Company, which is an Indian company. If you all don't know, sponges are very expensive these days. I mean, if you go to buy the original beauty sponge, which is beauty blender, that will cost you around 2,000 bucks for one, and this is just about 550 bucks for this one, and this works really well, you guys. So if you're looking for something good, you should definitely check this out. This is called the Drugstore Company, and the sponge is called Buff Buddy. You can see over here. And yeah, this is the first thing which I bought. Alright, so the next one is from Nykaa, and this is, I don't know what's there in it. I'll just open it and show you. I have obviously opened all of these packets. So yeah, the other thing which is there is the Smashbox 24-hour hydrating foundation, which is oil free, and this is in the number 3.0, and yeah, this is how the bottle looks like if you are familiar with the Smashbox foundations. So this was in the deal. This retails for around 3,300, and I got it for 3,300. So there was a deal with it, which was, I think I got a brush or something with it, which I'll just show you in a bit. So yeah, this is the second thing which I bought. Alright, so the second thing from Nykaa which I got this morning, I was waiting for this one, and that is the reason I had to shoot this video on Monday, which will go on air on Tuesday. Can you believe that? So this was the package which I was waiting for. So the next stuff is this beauty right here. This is by MAC. This is called MAC Hyper Real Glow, and this is in the shade Flash Plus Auve. So I haven't opened this yet, so I will just open it in front of you guys, and let's see what are the color scheme inside. So this is how it looks like. This is so sleek, matte, and this you know, the thing written on it is very nice, you know, blingy and golden color. So here is the palette, you guys. I mean, look at that. This looks so beautiful. Oh my god, in real. I will give you the swatches of it maybe. Yes, look at that. Oh my god, this is what MAC is meant for, and so beaming, so beautiful. Oh my god, can't wait to try this. Look at that. OMG. So really excited to use this one. And yeah, this was the second thing from Nykaa which I bought. And yeah, also this retails for 4,900 bucks. Quite expensive, right? Alright, so the next stuff is from Nykaa Lux. Actually, all the products are from Nykaa Lux actually, and I don't know for what reason they did not send me the MAC products and Smashbox products in this Lux box, which is very disappointing this time. They are supposed to send all Lux products in a pink and red, you know, box like this, but they sent me all these extra these ordinary boxes, which is not up to the mark, and one minus number for this to Nykaa. And yeah, let's open this right here. So the first thing which you get in it, if you all have received the Lux boxes, so that is a card. Thank you, we are thrilled, this that okay. And the next stuff is, I've got a freebie from Bobbi Brown here. So it is foundation shades. They have sent me like 1 2 3 4 5 6 foundation shades here. So if I want to buy their foundations, which is 4,000 bucks only, and I have to choose from this. Actually I was expecting a little, you know, bigger like these samples, because I can't even apply them once like on all over my face. So what is the use? I have to just take it and, you know, just swipe it like with my finger once and check if you know, any of these matches my skin. So yeah, this was the stuff inside this box, and let me show you what I have got from Bobbi Brown, that I got this free. And this is the thing which I have bought. This is vitamin enriched face base, and if you're watching my videos since quite a long time now, you must know that I love this stuff like anything, you guys. I will show you. I've got the smaller one of this already with me. Just a sec. It is here, and here it is. So this is like 15 ml, 7 ml, sorry, this is 7 ml, and this one is 15 ml. So I just love this stuff so much. If you have very dry skin, or even if you have oily skin and unmanageable skin, you must get your hands on this one, guys. I mean, the moment you apply it on your face, it just disappears your pores. It'll, you know, give that shine to your skin. It'll make your face hydrating and whatnot. And you can read all good things about this on the blog, and also you can, you know, see many reviews about these. So I just love this so much, so I just called for the bigger one this time, and it costed me 2,000 bucks. Alright, so the brush I was talking about is this. So purchasing that foundation was because I wanted this brush right here, and I will just show you the quality of this brush. Oh my god, this is gonna be so smooth on your skin. Can you see that? Oh my god, I'm just, you know, I can't wait to try this brush and apply my foundations with it. So this is so big, see, bigger than my face. So yeah, this is a brush which I got free. Also one more thing, which is Photo Finish oil and shine control primer, which is a trial pack again. So I will try this and see if I like it, and then I can maybe purchase this one. And also there are a few more stuffs which I got for free. So one is this Vitamin Glow by Smashbox again, and two of these from Aveda. One is shampoo and one is conditioner. So this is how they look like, and this is also a freebie for me. So yeah, really excited to try these. Alright, so the next box is the bigger one, and I will just open it and show you the stuffs. And this box contains all my favorite products, you guys, and I don't know from where to start. And let me just see. So first thing I'm gonna grab is this baby right here, which is this Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77. And I was eyeing on this product like since forever, and yeah, this is in my hand right now, and this is how it looks like. This is the best gel eyeliner out there in market, you guys. This is so good for brides and even for yourself. Like, it won't budge, won't smudge. This is waterproof, this is sweat proof, this is everything proof. The next stuff is by K Beauty, K by Katrina. This is a metal show eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade Navigator, and I have already used it. This is how it looks like, and this is a very nice royal blue color. Can you see that? So I wanted a eyeshadow which is, you know, easy to use, and if I want something like blue smoky eye or blue eyeliner thing, you know, going on, so I must have something like this. So what is better than K Beauty, because they are having very nice crayon like eyeshadows. So yeah, really looking forward to use this one. Alright ladies, the most favorite thing of mine now, and oh my god, I just can't wait to show you this. Oh my god, oh, look at the excitement level of mine. So this is none other than Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. OMG, like, I was waiting and you know, to buy this one since ages now, and this is in my hands right now. I can't believe it, because this is such a beautiful palette. I will just open it and show you how does it look like, and many of you all must have seen it, I'm sure. But this was quite like an achievement for me to buy this one, because look at the mirror size here, a full size mirror you get here, and this is what the color scheme looks like. Oh my god, so many cool tone shades here, and metallic shades and shimmery shade. Oh my god, if you're looking for something, you know, what do I call it, the trending makeup looks and all of that, you could definitely achieve with this palette right here. This is so insanely beautiful in person, and I cannot, you know, really boast enough. So yeah, this is the third thing in this box right here. So guys, what do you love about shopping or purchasing new things? I love the freebies, don't you? Who doesn't, right? So I have got so many freebies with this single palette right here, because this will cost you bomb, like for 5,300 and I think 75 or something, 70 bucks. And I have got a lipstick, mini lipstick, and also a eyeshadow right here. OMG, this is the eyeshadow. This is called, I will just, matte and metal liquid eyeshadows, which is very easy to use and very beautiful. I mean, when you open it, let me show you. When you open it, you guys, you have matte eyeshadow on one end and the metallic on the other end, like this. So you just have to open it, and you will get the applicator like this, and you have to just apply the matte eyeshadow, blend that with your brush, and then you have to open the metallic side one, and you should just apply that in your inner corners, and you're good to go. If you don't have time or you're running late or something, you should get your hands on this eyeshadow. I mean, it has n number of color, you know, there are many colors available in this, so you should definitely check this out. And this will cost you around what is the rate of it? I think something around 1400 or something. I can't see the rate of it. Alright, so this is something around 1400 or something. So this is actually on expensive side, but it's okay if you have budget, and if you can afford, you should definitely get your hands on this. And the other thing which I've got is Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Icon, and this is again a very beautiful shade right here. I don't know if I should give you a swatch, but I will just give you a tiny little swatch here. So this is how the color looks like, and this is somewhat like a very nice bricky pink. I don't know how to describe this color, but a very nice nude shade. And yeah, really looking forward to use this one. And the next stuff is again by Huda, which is this. I think this is a holiday package or something. This is for eyes, it says, and it has the eyeliner and mascara both in this single package. So here they are. Oh my god, this is Legit Lashes mascara and the pencil eyeliner and liquid eyeliner in one. This is called Lifeliner. So this is how they look like, and I cannot just wait to try this. Oh my god, these were on my wish list, and I have these in my hands right now. So I will definitely share my review with you about all these Huda and other products. And last but not least, I have got here a spatula and a mixing palette here by PAC, which is very essential in any MUA's life. So this costed me around 550 bucks, and this eyeliner and mascara set costed me 2,800 bucks. So yeah, that's all for this box as well. Alright, so the biggest box now, let's open this. Oh, so this is right here, and don't just go with the size because there's only one product in this, and which is this brush holder. Yes, I told you about my bridals, so I would need a brush holder, something like this, and I ordered the biggest one available on the market. So yeah, this is what I bought, and this is by London Prides, and this is again a very nice purchase of mine, and this bag costed me around 1,500 bucks. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this one. Alright you guys, that's all from my Nykaa haul, and I showed you the Amazon one as well. And now let's see the Hawk makeup one, which is right here. So let's see what I have bought from Hawk. So I have got two eyeshadow palettes from Hawk, from Revolution, and this is a Forever Flawless Decadent palette by Makeup Revolution. You can see here, and I will just open it and show you the colors. Oh my god, look at that, such a nice peachy palette here, and this has all sort of peach and browns and very nice warm shades here, and really looking forward to use this one. And the second palette is this beauty right here. Can you just take a moment and just look at this palette? I mean, this is so damn gorgeous, and this is called the Forever Flawless Constellation. So I will just open it and show you. So you will see all bright shades right here. I wanted some blues and pinks in my collection, so this palette seemed to be promising, and I just loved the color scheme right here. It has blue, very nice pink, purples and magentas, and like all sort of good colors. And yeah, looking forward to use this one as well. So by the way, this single palette will cost you around 1,850 bucks, but I got it under some discount. So if you're looking at good palettes under very nice range or discounted rates, you should definitely check out Hawk Makeup, you guys. They are having sale right now going on their site. So yeah, I will give you the link in the description box, so do check that out. So guys, that's all for today's haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Let me know in comments down below what was your favorite product out of all these, and what would you like to see me using on this channel. And yeah, do let me know in comments down below what other look or what exactly you wanna see in my next video or tutorial. because I keep waiting for your comments, guys. So do not forget to comment down below. Also, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I keep telling this. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for future videos of mine. And I won't take any more time of yours and take your leave now. I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye.